I apply the darker concealer here around my mouth area because I have dark spots. I'm going to be blending that in, and afterwards I'm going to be adding a brighter foundation. You want your beauty blender to be damp before using it on your cream makeup. If not, it's going to soak up all of your makeup products. I'm going to be using Elegant Pro Concealer to brighten up the other parts of my face that I didn't apply foundation. I'm going to be blending it down and this upwards. This concealer is way brighter than my skin tone, but we are going to make this work. Now that that is all blended down, I'm going to set the products in place. I'll be using this yellowish powder on all the areas I applied concealer. Then I'll be using this powder to set my foundation. Don't go crazy with your powder like you see the makeup artists do on YouTube. It's really not necessary. Oftentimes it makes your makeup look very cakey. Now that my skin is done, I'll do my brows, then I'll be right back. I'm back. I did my brows. Yes, I didn't use a brow pencil or a brow gel. There's this product I got. It's called Microfiber Brow Extension. So if you're interested, I'll be putting a link in the description of this video. You can check it out if you want. So now, I've actually decided that I'm going to be doing eye makeup today. So I'm going to be applying an eyeshadow base. Here she comes, the big one. I'm going to be setting my base down with this creamy color. Then I'm going to be going over it with this. I really don't know the type of look I'm going for, but we'll see. I use this to set the base, then I apply this all over the crease. Now I'm going in with this. Please don't pack your eyeshadow, less is more. There is eyeshadow, but it's not like it's there, okay? It's there, just the way I like it. So I'm going to be doing a cut crease from here to here. It's not going to be all the way through. a shimmery eyeshadow. Also going to be going on this side with a red shimmery shadow. Back with my second brush to blend in. I know it's easy to go crazy with your eyeshadow. Please don't. You're only going to look scary. And if you go brothers, if you see you go wrong. I'm gently going to remove the excess from my skin. There you go. I'm going to do the other eye and I'll be right back. Now that my eye makeup is done, I'm going to be applying eyeliner. That isn't perfect. What you can do in this case is to clean up with the concealer. Do you see the instant difference? There you go, the magic and wonder of concealer. Exactly the way I want it to look. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. When it comes to applying your eyeliner or mascara, you can always go back in and clean it. If it takes you 50 times to make them look the way you want, go for it, girl. Please don't sue me for that. I was going to wear lashes, but I don't think I would. Adding a false lashes is going to make the eyes too much. You know what I mean? I love it subtle. Yes, that is me. I'm just going to blush out my cheek a little bit. Give my cheekbone some structure and we should be good to go. Please don't do too much, especially if you have a lot going with your eyes, just like I am now. The way you apply your blush and your contour determines the way your face is going to look after your makeup. Like the way I'm currently applying my brush is going to give that illusion of a longer face. Always remember, less is more. I'm going to give my face a little bit of structure. What this does is to create like shadows around your face. If I wasn't making a video and was going to go out, I wouldn't apply a highlighter. I would just line my lip apply some lip gloss and I'm done. The reason for that is because I have a lot going on with my eyes. So ladies, don't go crazy with your makeup. If you have a lot going on with your eyes, let the other parts of the place be soft. If you have a whole lot of highlighter and blush, please leave your eyes alone. And if you have a very bright color on your lips, please don't do the eyes at all. Okay? Because if you do too much, it's too much. I'm going to be applying a tiny bit of highlighter. If you have this much eye makeup, do a nude lip or just apply lip gloss. My lips are naturally huge, so I try not to overline my lips. Just applying a little bit of gloss over it, just a little bit. Maybe I should use a little bit of setting spray. What do you think? Let's try setting spray. The setting spray has dried down, and this is what we have. If you have any questions at all, ask me in the comment section down below. If you have any topic suggestions, please leave a comment. I can't wait to connect with you down there. So, thank you so much for watching. Ensure that you check out my other videos.